Guys, are you ready to get some money so we can buy Teardown? Yes. 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 Okay, let's go. Can we exchange some money? So we can buy this game on Steam, Teardown.
Sorry, we are closed. Come later and get money.
We need it now. Get out. Haha, you died. Let's go. Ow, my legs. Hey guys, come, I got a plan. Ow. Ow. What do we do? This might sound crazy, but I think we need to break in. What, why? Just for Teardown?
The camera spying.
I mean, Teardown is cool looking. I guess so. Let's go. Okay, we need to go now. Yes. We just need to stay quiet. Got it. Ah. Hey, you melon and apple. Haha, smelly. Are you guys ready? Let's go. It's all for Teardown. Hey you guys. Leave before I am calling the police. Never. Hey 911, there is a bank rob at Melon Street Squishy Road. Come fast. Ow, I shot myself. No, oh my legs. Oh, back. Stop it, pistol. No, oh, ow. Oh, that's bad, I died. Goo. No, oh, the wall. Bro, why? Squawka. Go melon. You say it like that? Die. You pumpkin. You other pumpkin die. Ow, oh no. Let's go get the money. Perfect, oh no, the wall. Just grab the stinky gun's wall. Yeah, I did it. My head smashed it. Stop it, wall. Oh no, the safe squeezed my back. Yay, it's open. No, oh. Blah, blah. Okay, it's open. Okay, well, let's get the money out. Whoa! This is enough to buy the luxury edition of Teardown. Next safe. Ugh, this is heavy. Okay, let's go. Oh, I'm flying. Okay, back home. You got some explaining to do. What do you mean? Look at the TV, you. Okay, let's check the news. Oh no, the cameras. What do we do? We got to rob the bank. What? I guess Teardown is a cool game. Let's go. Get out the way, pumpkin. Cactus, it was just staged, it's not real. You killed him? No, I didn't. You liar, die. Ha! Goodbye. What the? You are under arrest for murder and bank robbing. No, it was just staged, it's not real. You think I'm dumb enough to believe that? I got a rocket launcher and it's going into your face. Don't you dare, officer. Thanks for watching. And see you in the next video. Yeah, bye. And if you want to get real Teardown, the link is in the description, or go on Steam and search Teardown anyways. Bye.